All right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, hello. My name is Darius Lanchauskas, and I'm a global market analyst here at Markets.com. Let me just quickly adjust my microphone here a little bit. Look, I just wanted to quickly share with you a little piece here on Bitcoin Cash. So basically, I love Bitcoin Cash. I mean, I think it's quite an interesting instrument to trade from the technical analysis perspective. And that's why I'm kind of picking up on this one, because we know right now the cryptos are not in their best position, if I can put it this way. But look, I think that we can still find some value somewhere. We just need to look for it. So I talked about Bitcoin Cash in one of my videos, one of my live streams that I do. You can, on other social platforms. But look, I just wanted to share this one here with the TradingView community. I believe that this might be, of interest for some who are trading cryptos. And this, like I said, this little outlook will be just purely technical, because again, we can look into the fundamentals in general. In terms of fundamentals, look, if we're trading, BCH USD, then keep your eyes on tomorrow's CPI numbers, which could impact the US dollar here, because the dollar right now is currently getting smashed. But maybe the CPIs come out a little bit on the higher side, and maybe we could see a stronger dollar, meaning that we could end up having, why these are popping up, and meaning that maybe we could having could see the we could see the what I just lost. I was just trying to remove these ideas here, in the bottom there, in the bottom of the screen. But look, which could basically in a way impact the BCH USD negatively if the US dollar rebounds, pushes back up. But anyway, for now, let's leave everything aside and just purely look at what's happening right now on the technical side. So a while ago, I said to you that, look, we have this downside line taken from the high of or should I say the highest point of December of 2024. So we broke it on the 5th of March, and we rallied. We jumped above all my EMAs here on the daily chart, but then fear kicked in again, and this whole moment around the cryptos, this positivity around cryptos started fading away, and we saw some corrections. But unlike, let's say, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, which started kind of really, dropping heavily, Bitcoin Cash still kind of holds on, and actually, it's somehow still creating higher lows. So as you can see here, so if I draw a little short-term upside line from here to here, you'll see that yes, this is exactly what's happening right now. So this is exactly what we're seeing here. And look, maybe it's not an ideal upside line, don't get me wrong, but still, let me just thicken this up a little bit. But still, it's something worth mentioning. But the fact that we're still remaining above the broken downside line, that kind of gives me a little bit of reassurance that there is potential for this one to rebound back up. For me to start looking at this from the very bearish perspective, probably a drop below this. I think this upside line needs to be drawn this way. Probably a drop below this upside line taken from the low of the 25th of February. Yep, it could open the door to some lower levels. So, because don't forget that we have this key area of support here, which is around the 272 mark. This has been, here for a while now. I mean, we have seen the rate rebounding from this area at the end of February and then pushing higher. So like I said, in order to get comfortable with some declines here, I think that yes, a drop below this upside line is required, and also to get even more comfortable with the downside, a drop below the 272 zone is needed. This way, a forthcoming lower low will be confirmed, and this is where it could open the door, maybe all the way towards that 200 territory. But again, let's not rush into things, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what's going to happen here first. At the moment, we are examining, like I said, this potential idea of a rebound. Then, of course, we will aim for the EMAs one more time. We'll aim for all of those, the 50, the 100, and the 200. And then, if that gets cleared, certainly there is a greater chance that we could see a move higher, further move north. But again, look. At this point, I would say I'm cautiously bullish. on the Bitcoin Cash instrument here. But of course, there's always an element of the doubt. Given, if, let's say, other cryptos start, selling off heavily, I mean, Bitcoin Cash is not going to really, go higher. No, it's going to follow them. But at the moment, we're seeing these moderate declines in other cryptos, so that's why, Bitcoin Cash can afford not to, fall off the cliff. And yep, for now, like I said, that's why it's becoming, a little bit more interesting than other cryptos, at least for me. And yeah, I mean, it presents itself with a nice opportunity. Let's see if it's going to work out or not. However, like I said, I'm going to abandon the upside scenario. I will start abandoning the upside scenario if we start clearing this little short-term upside line drawn from the low of the 25th of February. And then if we do fall below the 272 territory right there, then yep, that's from where I will get even more bearish. But at this point, I'm cautiously bullish, but I need that rebound. If you're not really feeling the love right now at this point, I would say, what you can do here is basically keep an eye on the EMAs and wait for pop above those EMAs. And we see that if the body of the daily candle remains above those EMAs, then this could, in a way, strengthen the upside scenario. Of course, we do understand that it's not always the case where if it stays above, if the body stays above it, above certain area, then it's kind of guarantees the a further up move. No, but it kind of it makes that first step towards trying to examine, let's say in this case, the higher levels. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to share with you this, like I said, this Bitcoin Cash idea. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you agree or you don't agree? And yeah, we can go from there. Don't forget to follow our page on TradingView, and we'll be more than happy to assist you in further video reviews. And yeah, like I said, don't forget to put that rocket in there as well. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you later. Bye bye.